Hello everyone, this is Rishika Jain. Welcome back to my channel RJ's Royal Diamond. Today we are gonna do turmeric painting. So for turmeric painting we need the following ingredients. We need washing powder. It can be any color because color doesn't give any effect to our drawing. Turmeric, water, tissue paper or any rough cloth, paint brushes, pen optional, black pens, and earbuds. So let's get started. For our first we will make our turmeric paint. So I'm using a brush to mix it with water. I have already add water in it. Mix it well so that lumps do not come. Okay. Now take a brush. I'm using a big one. If you have a small one, you can do it with it also. Actually, see, there's lumps in the brush, so I think we should add more water in it to prevent lumps. Just a little bit water. See. Okay. Now start painting. It would be better if you paint in one direction. See how beautifully the color is appearing. Like there's a little difficult with the big brush when you color the edges, so use a small brush to do your edges. Okay. Okay, now we'll keep it aside to let it dry. Okay, now we will prepare our next solution with the washing powder. So I'm taking a brush, add water, just little bit of water. Not that little. Like this. Okay. See, we have make a solution. Okay, so now take your paint, and I'm using a tissue paper. If in need, you can use a cloth instead. Just dab it. The extra powder or whatever you call it, water, paint, it will go away. Okay. Now our sheet is dry. Now we will use our solution. I am taking a brush. Now just touch it and sweep it so that the extra water comes. We need just little bit, sorry. So you draw a stroke like this and a slanting K-like thing. Just draw a little K and fill it. Now we have to draw branches because we are making a tree. Do it in any direction. My branches are not that good, but when we will make the scenery now, the branches will not be visible, so don't worry about that. Okay, now we will draw another tree here. So guys, today we are drawing a scenery actually. So scenery got trees, that's why we will make some trees. You can see the red color or brown, whatever you can say. It is appearing on the sheet because some kind of science reaction. Okay, now we'll take our earbuds. Now just tap on the table so that it comes in one level. See if it comes in one level. Now it comes in one level, so we just have to touch it. You just need to touch our solution, just once touch it. Okay, you can see the solution is on the earbuds. Now I'll dab it. See how lovely it's looking. As I've made the this stem a little broader, so we have to add more leaves to it. Leaves in the sense that we are doing this dabbing. Add more. See the beautiful color it is coming. Dab in the middle. Okay, now go ahead the same for the another tree. Okay, all right, now we'll take a fine thin brush and make a circle, means sun, and just make a 0. You make, add strokes for the sunrise rays, sun rays. ठीक है. Now our sun is completed and then we need clouds, and just draw clouds. Just don't fill it all, just fill like this a little bit, very little. Okay, one more cloud we'll make. Just make the cloudy shape that you make for regular clouds. With pencil you draw, fill it. Okay, we can draw one more cloud. Where should we draw? Right here? Okay, just a small cloud. Okay, now I'm taking my brush. It's a little broader, as you can see, so I'm dripping it and just make V. These are the grass. Make V. And one more. Now take the finest brush you had and draw the long standing lines. Okay, just draw standing lines. You should draw long standing lines. Okay, now take the brush again and just draw the little lines. Now small standing lines we have to draw. Okay, like this. Now we have to take our earbuds again, but for this time we'll use one earbud. Get off. Yes. So can you see? Take the clean side and just dip it, just touch it like this. Okay. Now take it and we will make a flower. As you can see, this flower stem is not visible, so we will just correct it for this sketch pen we have. We will just do the outlining of it. Okay, draw the flowers. Yeah, if we will try the first time, so it will be look a little like what should I say, a little bad. Don't worry, next time it will be good. Okay, so we are nearly completed with our flowers. Just one more. Okay, now we will take the finest brush and draw. We can draw birds now. So draw V and just standing line like this. Okay. Now we have to correct our these lines, no? So just mark it like this. It's not working actually because we are using something wet now, so just do it. So we can say the small standing lines are not visible, so we will make that from pen tool. Actually, this is also my first time I'm trying this drawing. So a picture is completed. Now I'll just give my sign. So it's a little awkward, but it's good. Actually, this is my first time, as I told you, and next time when I try, na, it will be good. I'm sure. Thank you. Bye.